Ano ang nagastos ng isang binibining Pilipinas 2025 Queen in preparation for competing this year?
Well, and at least in my case, I was very fortunate to receive like full out support from LGU Iligan. So thank you pala. Thank you. I can't stop thinking. I can't thank you enough for Honorable Mayor Frederick Xiao and the entirety of the LGU Iligan for supporting me on this endeavor. Because it was the first time also for me to represent my hometown in a national pageant. So, estimate daw eh. So, ano, under 400.
Under 400.
Yeah.
Under 400.
Which was, for me, it's still
That's
tough time.
that's all from the Iligan City government.
Yes.
Hey, what about yung mga galing sa pocket mo or galing sa friends and supporters mo na naging part din ng gastos?
Well, not exactly. I had help, but parang in kind, you know what I mean? Like service, like I can do your makeup on this day, I can do your hair on this day, or for example, can I pull out an outfit so hindi ako magre-rent? Yung gastos ko na lang is yung lapang lalamove. Shoutout pala kay Sir Arwin Meriales, kay Kuya Jermaine Nabong, and to Sir Jello Garcia for really reaching out to me as soon as I became an official Binibini candidate. They really reached out and said, if you need anything, please let us know. I really appreciate your help talaga. It's a huge help.
Sige, less than 400,000 plus in kind.
Yeah, like a little help here and there.
What about
Hello mga kahabibi, so pag-usapan natin yung mga kaganapan sa beauty pageant sa Pinas. So una sa lahat mga kahabibi, talagang totoo yun na umaabot ng 500,000, minsan umaabot na pa ng milyon yung nagagasto ng beauty pageant or ng beauty queen na nagko-compete sa local pa lang yan mga kahabibi ha. What if nanalo pa siya kung wala siyang sponsor na, kumbaga ang hirap kasi mga kahabibi kung wala kang sponsor, walang tutulong sa'yo, nagkusa ka lang para mag-compete sa local competition. So, natatandaan natin na naikwento na rin ni Miss Sultan Kudarat, yung Miss Cosmo, na magre-represent ngayon 2025, na naikwento rin niya at na-share din niya sa social media na yun nga na umaabot din ng 500,000 yung nagagasto nila to compete in the local competition. So, ito lang masasabi ko sa mga basher na sana bago kayo mang-bash sa ating beauty queen, sana isipin din ninyo how they work hard on it, how they sacrifice their self, spending money, time, effort to compete the local and their